You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 1 over 15. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all x terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 4x from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the x. Divide both sides by -3. Cancel out the negatives. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals 1 over 15.